products. Interesting. Well, it's the end of July. We're getting snowblowers already. This one had a wouldn't drive. And it will, in fact, not drive. Well, that's probably why. Spring broke. There we go. Friction disc looks okay. A&I products. Interesting. Yeah, these snowblower belts are so specific. You just can't use. I've never really had luck with aftermarket. Not unless it's like a Stens. So it turns out it was just the entire wrong belt. No wonder it popped off. Okay. So get this on here. We're gonna get that plate cleaned up actually. New spring. Quite a bit better. Can you see anything? Yeah, I know you guys probably can't. I'm gonna fix that tire actually before I tighten this all down, otherwise this is gonna sit crooked for the rest of its life. Just want it not touching or barely touching. And this gentleman had a fancy metal one on there.